In case you're attempting to make a sprinkle in Las Vegas, it is colorful. Possibly that is the reason it says 2018. LG flaunted its best level V30 telephone in another energetic shade. To begin with, declared on January 3rd and authoritatively called Raspberry Rose, the new shading is a profound blend that falls amongst fuchsia and maroon. It will be accessible first in Korea after CES wraps up, trailed by different nations in Europe and Asia. The pink shade denotes the most current shading variety of the excellent telephone, which is likewise accessible in dark, silver, blue, and purple. However, accessibility shifts by showcase. The telephone itself, in any case, continues as before, as it was the point at which it propelled the fall of 2017. In spite of the fact that the G6 is thought to be LG's leader, the V30 is as of now the organization's most astounding end telephone. It includes a sharp 6-inch show, remote charging, and a quick Snapdragon 835 chipset. It likewise is waterproof and has two back cameras, one of which is a 13 megapixel wide point camera.